Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a pretty cute sheep. So we're going to start with the eyes. A little left on the paper, we're going to do these two ovals for the eyes. Once you've drawn those ovals, let's just add in two big highlights on either side. And let's do a little line on the bottom so we can add some color. And then we're just going to fill in these areas with black. Give you a second to finish up the eyes. Once you're done with the eyes, we're going to add a little cute mouth. It's just going to be these two U's. Let's start off with the face of the sheep. We're going to go out, give it a little bit of cheek, go back down. Then right for here, we're going to actually draw in a bell. A line like that, and then like a little bow tie. So we're just going to do these two marks to start off the bow. Then we're just going to draw the line to separate the bow detail. And let's just draw in the bottom of the bows. There you have it. The bow is done. Now let's draw in the ears. I'm just going to draw a big floppy ear on this side. Let's add another cheek, and another ear on this side. So, once you're done with those steps, let's add in the fluff. The fluff is easy. You're just going to do these U marks all across to connect to this ear. Like so, and then I'm going to add more fluff down on the bottom. Let's just add a row of fluff down here for the body. Let's just draw in the 2 feet, or these 2 extra U's, those 2 lines, and we're going to draw in 2 more feet. Very simple. Just these 2 U's, 2 lines each. Once you're done with that, we're just going to continue the fluff all around to complete our sheep. Just give it a little tail. I think we're almost done. Let's give it a little tone. And the nose. Then we're just going to add some detail for the ears. These 2 lines. And maybe some more fluff marks around. And there you have it. Your very own cute sheep drawing. We're going to add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.